Hey YouTube, Soaring Blackings here with a binder update. Before I start, this binder, the binder itself, without the cards in it, is for sale. Like, right there, there's a little crease right there, and then on the back, like this. That's the biggest crease there, like that. Of course I'm gonna take off some part right there, and then the pages are fine, and then there's this last one. You guys can't really see it, but right there. Okay. The pages are fine. If you guys want, offer, I don't know how much. Obviously, it's gonna be less than $30. So yeah, just offer on it. Now here's the binder. I took out all the plant stuff, except yeah, for that. So common, DT, common, rare, gold, ultra, first ed. This is also first ed. This is rare first ed. Rare first edge. Offer well on these because I don't really want to get rid of them. I'm gonna put them. Yeah, I want to keep them sort of. Ultra Caius. Yes, $5. It only has a little crease. It's still totally playable. Rare, common, ulti, common. Gotta do this quick. Gold, common, all this common stuff. And ultra and secret, the Earth and Hyperion. Secret, common, secret, first ed. Commons, Gravekeepers, they suck now. This category stuff, I hate categories. This stuff I'm probably gonna keep, cause I'm gonna make Avengers Army soon. Yeah, common, rare, super first ed. Just, you can offer on it. Oh yeah, this is a misprinted, $1,000 bill. Yeah. So, yeah, sorry about the background noise, if there is any. There's a lot of people here. Okay, so, I'm gonna have this start profile up soon. Wait, I can't show you this card. There you go, Valor. Okay, Chaos Obsidian. It's plants. I used it at locals. It did really good. I did some changes to it though. So, just stay tuned for that, and peace.